Oh, in this video, I will show you how to create a network security group with the inbound and outbound roles in Azure. So first of all, for this lab, we will need to create a virtual machine. Just click at the new virtual machine and you can just go select your resource group. Then you can put your name of your machine. I will just call it IIS 2017 and just use your region. For this test, we just use 2016 or even, yeah, you can just use whatever you want. I will pick up the 2012. And you can just use the size. I think that's the smallest one I can use at this moment. So make sure you just use the username and just a password which match the security policy. Okay, so right now, just leave it the RDP locked so that is set up so that it will be allowed our RDP port 3289 open. Don't select nothing in here right now. We will just later on create the network security group and just create some inbound rule. Go for review. And just start creating the machine. I will pause the video, so just come back when the deployment will finish. Okay, so VM is ready right now. Just go to resource, connect, RDP. You can download the file. I did that already. So just open it, connect, and just use your admin and password. The next step, what we have to do is just we will install the IIS on the server. So just go to the server manager, add role it feature. Go next, server roles. Just try to find the IIS, add features. Next, check if there is something. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, so just basic. I'm not sure if that will install the GUI. Oh yeah, that this is for the GUI manager console. So that's what we're looking for. So that will be installed. Okay, so just install it. I'll be come back when the installing will finish. Okay, so server is up and running now. Just one thing what I forget, so that we do not assign the public IP address for the server. I did that just a few seconds ago. So on the DNS name, you will probably have some option to configure. I just did that a few seconds ago. So when you just click this configure option, you just have to put the DNS label right here. And I set up static, yeah? I set up static. Make sure is the lower cases. It's not accepted the capital letters. So when you do that, just click save and you're ready to go. Your server probably will be rebooted again. But afterwards, you will be able to just connect to the server via this DNS name. Yeah. Okay, so right now I will open the IIS. Okay, one more thing what we can do, we can just go for the network security. No, not this one. Just go back. Firewall, yeah. Just I know it's not best practices, but I will just disable the firewall for this testing. Okay, let me check if the IIS is set up and is reachable from the internet. Yeah, so I just copy my from the Azure portal. You can just go to your server and copy this name. It's your IIS website, yeah. So this probably won't be working yet. Okay, so we can just go for sites, go for default, edit bindings. We can just go for edit and add HTTP. Can try. Okay, so maybe this is not, maybe just this one, and add. No, I do not have any certificate. Probably don't allow me to save it. Okay. Okay, so for a minute we just go for the okay, so let's maybe we just carry on with the just HTTP, but let me try to create one default one. Just go for self-signed. IIS. Okay, so we can just use this one now. Web. Again, just edit bindings. Go for add. Change that for HTTPS. Select. Okay, where is it? Just use the default one. Go for okay. So hope that will work. Okay, so I think the part of the web server that's done is just for the testing. We don't will be set up any web pages. We're just waiting for the just default website will be show up as IIS or something like that. Yeah. So okay, so just starting. We just go back to the Azure portal right now, and I will start creating the network security group. Just go for network security group, create add. We create a new one. Just use the same resource group. So just use IIS to test. Yeah, you can use the name wherever you want to. and just go for create. Okay, create. That will be take for a few minutes, so just I will just pause it, the video. Okay, so right now we've got the network security group which was created. If you would like to associate the network card of the virtual machine, we just go to the network security group. There is a tab network interfaces, and then just click associate, and then you will have the this is the nick of the virtual machine which we created before. As you see, that will be apply your changes right now. To wait, yes, that's done. And in this point, we can just go to the inbound rule and create some new rule which will allow, for example, 443 traffic from the virtual machine through the network security group. So this is our, in fact, this is our firewall, yeah, in Azure. So all the other traffic will be denied unless we specify all the rules in this tab. So for example, we just go for the any, just port range change for 443. And that will be starting here. That's priority. So make sure you just set up the lowest, and you can just go. For example, we start from 10. The next one will be 110 or something like that. So we need to make sure that this is have specific order to make sure that any other, for example, rule doesn't block your previous rule. And I think that will be it. Source range. Okay, so from any source range destination to any destination port that we pull for free, priority. Okay, and just add. Just we need to wait for a few minutes, then we can just test it. Yeah, security rule was created. So on this point, we can also check on here on the VM networking, and then you can see your port 443 is allowed to traffic. Yeah. Okay, so if you would like to test, we can copy the browser, copy to clipboard, and we will see if that will work. Yeah, that works. This is the certificate error, which we just assigned some certificate here, but it's probably we need a proper certificate generated. Yeah, but as you can see, we are able to open the IIS from the internet through to our Azure portal. So all the other ports are blocked, but we just specify the port 443 for HTTPS. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. If you like more, just comment. Let me know if you like it or no. And good luck with your Azure trainings. Thanks, guys.